Weather impact alert today, yet again, because of this. Another heat advisory. We knew this was coming for the area between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. for feels like temperatures upwards, if not exceeding 110 degrees. And the heat risk, as I mentioned, it's going to go down just a touch through the weekend. But take a look. It'll be a brief break because we'll go back to major, if not extreme heat risk at times next week. Next week has the potential to be even hotter than this week. So you have to be preparing for prolonged heat here as we settle into summer, which does officially start on Sunday, by the way. Temperatures already in the 80s closer to the coast. We're at 81 in Clearwater, 83 in Tampa and in St. Pete, 85 in Sarasota, 78 in Wesley Chapel, 77 in Bartow, 79 in Winter Haven and in Crystal River. That golf temperature, did I say it or did I say it? I knew it was going to go up a degree. It sure did, sitting at 86 now. Dew points are in the mid to upper 70s, very sticky. And of course, through the day today, just like yesterday, as that sun rises, it's going to take advantage of all that humidity to make our feels like temperatures climb very quickly. By 9 o'clock, it's already going to feel like the mid 90s to triple digits. So you got to try to get your activity done sooner than later. Try to get the dogs walked a little earlier if you can as well. Going into the afternoon, here it is. Feels like temperatures widespread between about 106 to 110. But look at places like Riverview and Bradenton. Feels like temperatures later today potentially as hot as 112 degrees. Feels like 109 in Clearwater Beach. So if you do have outdoor plans today, I know the beach has obviously been a very popular spot. It always is in the summertime. Just make sure you're staying plenty hydrated. Good idea to bring something like an umbrella or get one of the cabanas to keep you shaded and cooler through the day today. Even at 8 o'clock for your Friday evening plans, still feels like the mid to upper 90s. Now into the weekend, Saturday, again, still going to be hot. Don't get me wrong, but we won't be getting into dangerous heat territory. We're looking at widespread feels like temperatures 100 to maybe 105, 106. Let's take you into satellite and radar. We have a front that is moving into the southeast, and then here are the remnants of Arthur. This actually brought a huge spell of severe weather across the southeast yesterday. And as we go through the day today, we'll be watching for a cluster of storms that's really going to settle into the panhandle, maybe bring an isolated severe threat there. We were trying to see if that would make it into the Nature Coast, not looking likely. Our rain chance staying low today down towards Highlands County and Polk County this afternoon. And then look at how the activity kind of explodes along the Atlantic coast there. But if any of those storms do manage around 3, 4 o'clock to make it into Highlands or Polk County, they could be on the stronger side with some gusty wind and heavy rain. So we will be watching for that. But good news is for your Friday evening plans, we look mostly dry outside of maybe an isolated storm in eastern Polk into Highlands County later on this evening. Going into Saturday, again, we're going to be watching for these kind of pulses of energy to eject off that front that'll stay stalled to our north. Some showers and storms could drift south into the Nature Coast tomorrow morning, but most of the rain will settle inland as our flow comes out more of the northwest. So a lot of the storms setting up inland through the weekend. Can't rule out an isolated shower, though, in the afternoon. Here's a look just after 4 o'clock in the Tampa metro. So if you do have plans in Tampa tomorrow, especially after about 2 o'clock, you could run into maybe an isolated shower. I do think our immediate coastline should stay mostly dry. Sunday, very similar, maybe a few showers along the Nature Coast in the morning, with most of the rain setting up along and east of I-75 in the afternoon. But notice Tampa, definitely a spot that could have a couple of showers and storms through the weekend. If you have any beach plans, looks pretty good. Most of the rain sets up along the east coast. You can see that here with our rainfall totals. Tampa, maybe about a quarter of an inch of rain, but look at this, a higher total, over an inch or so.
Comment, like, and subscribe right now.